The humble carrot, often relegated to a side dish or snack, deserves a place of honor in our diets. This unassuming vegetable, with its vibrant orange hue, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Don't let its simplicity fool you. Carrots are a true superfood, offering a wide range of health benefits that can transform your well-being. For centuries, carrots have been recognized for their medicinal properties. Ancient civilizations utilized carrots for everything from digestive support to wound healing. Modern science has confirmed what our ancestors knew all along. Carrots are a gift from nature. Their exceptional nutritional profile makes them a valuable ally in preventing chronic diseases and promoting optimal health. Whether enjoyed raw, cooked, or juiced, incorporating carrots into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier life. From boosting your immune system to protecting your eyesight, the benefits of this versatile vegetable are truly remarkable. A single medium-sized carrot is a nutritional bargain, providing an abundance of essential nutrients for a surprisingly low calorie count. Clocking in at just around 25 calories, this crunchy vegetable is a guilt-free way to nourish your body. But don't let the low calorie count fool you. Carrots are bursting with vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of vitamin A, with one carrot providing over 200% of your daily requirement. This vital nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Carrots also deliver a healthy dose of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which aids digestion and promotes regularity. They are a good source of vitamin K1, essential for blood clotting, and vitamin B6, important for brain function. Additionally, carrots provide potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure. The association between carrots and good vision is deeply rooted in truth. Carrots are an exceptional source of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Our bodies convert beta-carotene into retinol, a form of vitamin A essential for maintaining healthy vision. Retinol is a key component of rhodopsin, a protein found in our eyes that helps us see in low-light conditions. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness, a condition that makes it difficult to see in dim light. In addition to beta-carotene, carrots contain other antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful antioxidants accumulate in the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye, where they protect against oxidative damage caused by harmful blue light. Studies have shown that lutein and zeaxanthin can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Section 4. Heart-healthy hero carrots for cardiovascular wellness. Carrots are good for your heart in more ways than one. Their high fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This is particularly beneficial for reducing LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that contributes to plaque buildup in arteries. Carrots also contain potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps counteract the negative effects of sodium, a common culprit in high blood pressure. By relaxing blood vessel walls and improving blood flow, potassium can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. Interestingly, studies have shown that cooked carrots may offer even greater heart health benefits than raw carrots. Cooking carrots breaks down their cell walls, making it easier for our bodies to absorb their antioxidants, including carotenoids. Section 5. Beyond the surface. Skin, immunity, and more. The benefits of carrots extend far beyond our eyes and heart. These versatile vegetables contain beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that our bodies convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy skin by promoting cell growth and repair. It helps protect our skin from sun damage and can even reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Carrots are also a good source of vitamin C, another potent antioxidant that supports our immune system. Vitamin C helps our bodies produce collagen, a protein that strengthens our skin, bones, and tendons. It also plays a vital role in wound healing. Regularly consuming carrots can contribute to a strong immune system, healthy skin, and overall well-being. Their unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants makes them a valuable ally in preventing chronic diseases and promoting longevity.